Friends, welcome back to my channel Plan and Dimension. Today let us explore this plan. Friends, this is a 30-40 plot facing east. Now let us see. This is the main entry gate in the northeast, and you can observe a parking place for this two-wheeler and a staircase going to upper level. And this staircase is extended till the site edge. Now we have a main door entry in northeast. Once you enter, you have this living cum dining. You can observe this furniture layout. It is in north position. Moving towards, we have a kitchen in southeast corner. Then coming back, we have one more bedroom as a guest bedroom, 11 feet by 8 feet. And moving towards southwest, we have this master bedroom, 14 feet 6 inches by 10 feet with attached toilet. We have one more bedroom towards northwest. And for these two bedrooms, we have this common toilet. Friends, now if you observe, it is as per vastu. Since all the room positions like kitchen, bedrooms, toilet, everything is as per vastu guideline. But as per my view, this is not as per vastu. It is not 100% vastu. Come on friends, now let us explore what I have committed to follow 10 guidelines to achieve 100%. Friends, now let us explore this plan now. The plot is 30 feet by 40 feet facing east. Once we know the plot size, then we have to fix the aya for this plot. Aya for this plot is 25 feet by 33 feet. Once you have fixed it, then we have to fix our setbacks. Since we know that towards north and east we should have more space. So we have 3 feet towards north, 2 feet towards south, and coming back to east portion, we'll have 4 feet 6 inches, and then towards west, we will have 2 feet 6 inches. Friends, after fixing this setback and aya, care should be taken that no projection in this setback, either it is a structure or balcony, whatever projection is there, it is not recommended since it obstructs the flow of energy. So this point you have to note down. Once you are with the aya and setback, then we have to go for this vastu mandala, dividing into 9 equal parts on either side. Once you have done it, then fix your wall. Here, in my last video, I have explained about energy lines. You can observe all this is energy lines. So I have taken this wall in line with the energy lines. All the walls you can observe I have taken in line with the energy walls. Then you should understand about marmasthanam. So these circles which I have highlighted, all these are marmasthanam, where we have to take care that no columns intersect in our marmasthanam. So this point also you can observe we have followed. Then the next point, everyone they will ask where we have to keep the main door. See, this is the main door. If you observe 1, 2, 3rd segment, I have this main door. This is the idle place for the main door. Now moving towards, we have this puja. It is in the 4th segment, very idle place for this puja. Then you have this kitchen area. It is in southeast. Again, if you see this hatch portion, this is brahmasthanam, where we should not load with any furniture or any equipment, and at least we should have this space open to sky. Moving towards southwest, we have this master bedroom with attached toilet. You can see the furniture position. Then we have one more bedroom towards northwest. For this, we have a common toilet in southwest. All this has been followed as per vastu. Now we will see how, after applying this, how our plan looks. Let us move forward. Friends, now let us see how we have defined our vastu principle in our plan. Friends, you can observe that ayah 25 feet by 33 feet, we have not gone for any projection beyond our ayah, and we have left our setback free. You can observe this. Next, let us start from our main entry. Friends, this is our main entry gate, and as we have left this 4 feet 6 inches, we have this ample space for two-wheeler parking here and some greenery in these parts. Friends, I have also indicated the rainwater harvesting sump and borewell position. But you should remember that when you take a diagonal of your plot, the sump or borewell or this rainwater harvesting should not intersect in this line. That point you have to remember. And when you come here, this is an entry to our building, one step above this area, and you can observe this is 3 feet 9 inches wide. You can use as a sit out or corridor, because this has been provided for access to our upper floor. You can observe we have this staircase in southeast corner, and I have shown the like this. It is in anti-clockwise direction because I don't want to load this area. To avoid loading this area, we have to go for an anti-clockwise direction. Now coming back, this is our main door entry. Once you enter, you have this area as entrance foyer where you can entertain your guests and friends. So this entrance foyer is 7 feet 5 inches by 7 feet 2 inches. From this entrance foyer towards left, you have this puja, and in front of the puja, you have an ample space. You can use it for your prayer or meditation, because this area is very suitable for this puja. Now, if you come towards, you have this living area. From this wall to this wall, and from this wall to this wall, this is your living area, 16 feet 11 inches by 10 feet 1 inch. And this is Brahmasthana, friend. So I have not shown any furniture in this area, but let us use for our walking space to move to different areas, and at least let us leave this area open to sky. This is the Brahmasthana. You should be very careful not to load anything in this. Now moving towards this southeast corner, we have this kitchen. You can observe this is the platform towards north and east wall. In southeast corner, you have this cooking range. Northeast, you have this sink. Other areas you can utilize as per your requirement. And in this corner, you can have your store shelves. You can observe this, we have a niche here. This area we can utilize for washing machine, a very ideal place for washing machine. Moving towards from leaving towards southwest, we have this master bedroom with attached toilet. The master bedroom size is 10 feet 8 inches by 10 feet 4 inches, and you have this attached toilet 4 feet 9 inches by 6 feet 9 inches. You can observe this furniture layout, everything is fixed as per vastu. We have one more bedroom, 8 feet by 10 feet 4 inches towards northwest. very ideal for children's or guests. For this bedroom, we have one common toilet in south-southwest. Quite spacious, 7 feet 5 inches by 6 feet 9 inches. You can see the commode facing towards south. Either it can face towards south or north. We should remember this point. Friends, now after applying all our vastu guidelines, you can see how you feel. Let me expect marks from you. The first sample which I have showed, you like that plan or this plan. Friends, you can download this PDF file. I have given a link in my description box. If you like this video, please share your comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.